fruits which have natural acids like oranges, lemons, and tomatoes, they will taste sour. Same way, foods with base present in them, like baking soda, taste bitter. Most soaps, toothpastes, and cleaning agents contain bases. They will also feel soapy and slippery to touch. Acids are corrosive in nature. They react readily with metals, so they should never be stored in metal or plastic containers. The mineral acids found in chemistry lab like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid should be handled with care because they can burn our skin or clothes. In the same way, strong bases like caustic soda are corrosive and are dangerous to our skin and eyes. Many acids and bases may look similar. So, how do we identify if a substance is acid or base? Always remember, we should never taste or touch any unknown substance. Thankfully, there are some substances which can be used to indicate whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. These are called indicators. They change their color when added into an acidic or basic solution. Turmeric is one such natural indicator. In this video, we will learn how we can use turmeric as a natural indicator to identify acids and bases. We will also make our own DIY indicator strips similar to litmus paper. Take some turmeric powder. Mix a little water in it to make a turmeric concentrate. Now apply it on a paper or tissue using some cotton. Let it dry. Now we will take an acid like lemon juice or vinegar and a base like laundry detergent mixed with water. I would suggest not to take a regular hand wash because they are generally made pH balanced. All these ingredients can be easily found at home. Take an earbud and put it in the acid. Write something on a turmeric coated paper using this earbud. The text is not visible. Now repeat the same with another earbud dipped in the base solution. And you will see that part of paper turns red. If we use a neutral substance like water, we will again see that the text is not visible. Turmeric contains curcumin, which remains yellow in acidic or neutral solutions and turns red in basic solutions. Now apply lemon juice on this red part using cotton. You will see that the red color neutralizes. Isn't it fun? We will use this knowledge to make our own DIY indicator strips. But before that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. A lot of hard work goes in making these videos and your likes and comments keep me motivated. Take a paper and apply turmeric solution on it. Let it dry. Now apply detergent solution on half of it. And again let it dry. Once dried, you can cut strips out of this paper. Whenever you want to test anything, if you dip this yellow strip in it and it changes to red, then it's a base. If however it does not change color, dip the red strip in it. And if the color neutralizes, then it is an acid. If the color does not change for any of the strips, then it is a neutral substance. Do you know any other substance which can be used as a natural indicator like turmeric? Do write in the comments. If you enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And